Right, okay. We're still in Cumbria, and it looks like hell, doesn't it? Lovely green trees and everything. That's nice. We're at a road closed sign here for the back of Failmere Reservoir, and I think that services a lot of Warrington and Cheshire and places like that, or it used to. But it's howling down. It's absolutely terrible. I'm not one for having my collars up. But we've just been to the Kingfisher at Keswick. I'm expecting somebody to want to get through here in a minute, and we're not going to let the weather alter the review in any way, because as you know, I don't do that. I don't let anything interfere too much, because at the end of the day, jobs are at stake. This was looking like a homemade fish cake. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a cheese savoury. Look at the cheese, the stringy cheese going on there. Hang on a second. Look at that. That's what we like. Oh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's nice. It really is. Lovely texture. Not greasy at all. Mm-hmm. You know, we've been up here for a few days, and it's done nothing but this, really. Part of their business, they have a restaurant upstairs as well. Part of their business is, I don't know whether it's a butcher's or whatever, it's a meat packing manufacturing place. What they make there, they sell at the fish and chip shop. So it has to be given a go. So that's the size of the sausage. Obviously cut off a larger piece or a ring or something. We're going to blow away here any minute. Mm. Straight away. It's like a hot dog sausage in a way, but it's more dense. Mm-hmm. Oh, and this is everything's getting soaked except me at the moment. I'm underneath the brolly, thank God. This is their Cumberland sausage. Well, that broke away nicely. Now they had them already cooked. Now my assistant is in the cab taking shelter, and I can't blame her. She's having the other half of that savoury as we speak. The cod and chips. Let's try the chips first. They look quite nice, actually. Oh. Yeah, they're not bad at all. I think they've soaked up a little bit of the oil. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, one more, just a second, just to... Yeah, they're okay. Now let me break this fish in half. Hold on to the brolly. It's weighted down and everything. It's fixed into the back of the truck bed here. Let me take this little bit off the end here. Batter seems okay. Let me just... Yeah. Not the best batter I've tasted. An awful lot of flavour to the fish. There's not a lot of flavour going there, and salt won't help. The shop itself, fabulous. Looked like nice and clean, tidy, and the staff were all in their hats. There was about 5 guys there. I don't know, big guys, some of them. I mean, stocky guys, and their aprons and the uniforms. They all look quite smart. They all seemed quite lively before I entered, but then a bit off. I don't know, it's off, it's just me. But a young lad in there was, they were a bit quiet, a bit sort of, it wasn't very lively, put it that way. But the young fella who was serving me, fabulous. No, he was good. Everything's in the cab now with my wife. I'm going to get soaking wet, putting this lot away, and then we're going to go back to the Airbnb where we're staying in Ulverston. So it's about 35 miles away from where we are now in Keswick. The Lake District is stunning. It's stunning. It's just a shame we're not having the weather for it.
So let's have a look at some of these reviews. Now the Kingfisher's at 4.6 overall with 979 reviews. 1 star. Not a lot of good saying you're gluten-free. When on ordering or trying to, we're told no gluten-free. Absolutely ridiculous. Dietary restrictions. If you are celiac, then don't bother with this place. The owner of the shop doesn't actually respond to any of these comments. I'm not seeing any response in the comments. And ideally, you would want to respond to something like that. All shop owners should really respond. It's up to them, obviously, to their Google reviews, to any reviews, really, if they can, to clear the air, to find out what's wrong so that other people don't say, okay, I only like gluten-free. I can only have gluten-free products, so there's no point in me going there, when actually they may actually do gluten-free at certain times or certain days, or there may be some sort of thing like that. But unless the owner's prepared to actually mention or to actually comment and clarify, then that sort of review stays. 3 star. Rapid, pleasant service, but lukewarm chips and soggy fish. Had a good reputation locally, but definitely an off day today. And again, it's an off day, but they got a 3 star for it, and that's all you can do. If it's, they say it's definitely an off day, but they were still prepared to leave it a 3 star review. And again, what do? I'd do the same. You'd do the same. 5 star. Popped in today to buy some fresh Cumberland sausage. Had it for my tea tonight. It's the best Cumberland sausage I've ever had. Lovely and peppery, good and meaty, and tastes like it's made with good pork. Going back in tomorrow so I can take some back to Yorkshire for myself and my chubby mate who also loves sausages. Mine, 4 star. The Lake District in Cumbria is a stunning place to visit, renowned for its restaurants, especially fish and chip shops. During my visit, I heard about the Kingfisher and decided to try it. Their smoked sausage and Cumberland sausage were exceptional, and I'd definitely return for more. The cheese savoury was delicious, featuring plenty of stretchy cheese and seasoning. However, the battered cod was disappointing, bland, and the batter was also bland and a little gooey on the inside. When I parked in front of the Kingfisher, the staff watched us from behind the counter, likely wondering if we'd come in, which was fine. I mean, that's the way it goes with the shop. My wife's owned a shop. But you do that with customers, especially if you're quiet, you're just hoping for some custom, and you see someone, you go, yeah. And you can even have bets on it, can't you? You can, people do that. They go, I bet they're coming in. I bet they're coming in. And that's probably all it was. Though inside, I received some odd looks, which made for a strange and cold atmosphere. A young man served me. He was friendly, polite, and answered my questions about the sausages. He was a credit to the business. The shop was clean, tidy, and well presented, with a restaurant section. The staff wore smart, matching outfits. If you're near Keswick, stop by and try their smoked sausages, Cumberland sausages, and cheese savouries. You'll be glad you did. Cooking in oil, hygiene rating 5, cash or card, fish reviewed, cod. If you're anywhere near Keswick, pop in. See you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.